Alright, this right here is the blacksmith shop. This guy's running a forge right now.
Blacksmith Welding has been in business since 1936. Their shop is out on Highway 53 going towards Green Sausage House.
Just cranking up that fire again.
It's a good job to have when it's about 30 degrees.
Oh, I believe it. Trip hammer. Alright.
It's a homemade trip hammer. So someone actually made that with like scrap metal.
And what'd you say your Facebook page was called again?
It's Visca Blacksmith and Welding.
Visca?
Visca.
Visca.
V-I-S-K-U-P.
Visca Blacksmith and Welding. Alright. Super hot right there. You can hear that water sizzling, steaming.
Yeah. Many times. I've been down there many. I actually love it down there. I have a lot of friends. Yeah. Wow. Alright, well, y'all have a good evening. See you later. Hi, how are y'all doing? Good. We're looking at 2 generations of blacksmiths. Been doing it his whole life. His father started the business in 1936.
This is Jody, and this is Wallace, and then this is Wallace Jr. That's Wallace Jr. right there. Alright, these are the spikes that he just made. You can see where he hit in the lines for it, so when he puts it in the post over there and attaches that it'll stay good.
This back one, I want to kind of go in an angle if we can.
Go ahead and drill this out, and then they're going to put those spikes in.
And these, same? You can pretty much just go almost, just angle them just a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
That's it, I'll just go ahead and bury it.
Yeah, bury it, because these spikes are about 6 inches long.
Alright, here goes the spikes.
You're good.
Alright, and there you have it.
Those deals too. I mean, you're.
Just to remember, this is a trip hammer. This is a vise you just pinned on the feeder post over here.
Anyway, wherever you, 6.5.
There you have it right there.
Here it is.
This is called the forge, where a lot of the magic happens,
That's all it's
where he was
supposed
able
be.
to make those pins, put the vise on over here.